How to set up Claude Code in Xcode. So first of all, you want to make sure that you got a valid Claude account. So you must make sure you've got a premium or you got a pro in your Claude. Basically, you have subscribed. Then what you'll have to do is like you'll simply have to go to the and what you'll have to do is now you'll have to go to the settings inside your Xcode. And once you're in the settings of your Xcode, what you'll have to do is simply hit on towards the settings option. So once you're in settings, you will be able to go to the different kinds of settings and go to the intelligence. So once you tap on intelligence, you'll be able to see Claude in Xcode. So simply what you'll have to do is you'll have to like sign into the Claude code and you'll have to do that. So you must sign into the Claude code. So once you're signed in, you will be required to authorize. So make sure you use correct account and correct passwords or correct your correct valid account that you wanna get integrated to. Now you'll have to authorize, and once you're authorized, you'll have to hit back towards the Claude chat or the Xcode chat. And once you're in the Xcode chat, from the the below button, this button, you can simply go ahead and search for the Cloud Sonnet, and you will be able to use it in the chat. So that's how you set up Cloud Code in Xcode. Hopefully, it helps. Thank you.